This is probably one of the best places here in Georgetown, Penang, Straits Quay. And you can see the ocean behind me basically. Sun is setting right now. So we have some high skyscrapers there where people are living actually. And behind those is the Straits Quay Mall that we want to visit as well. So let's follow me. Very great. Also this breeze here after a very hot 30 degrees, 31 degrees summer's day. Really, really helpful to come here and relax. When you enter the mall, you will be greeted by this gorgeous view here. It is not like a big mall that is built vertically very high. This is more like stretched out horizontally. So you have those very long ways there to the right or to the left. And this very nice staircase as well, with lots and lots of shops and possibilities to buy something. But it's not as, let's say, so much variety as you will get it in any other mall in Penang. This is more like a flair. And when you come to the bay with lots and lots of boats there, especially at night, you will notice this flair because there are restaurants nearby, close by, that are playing some nice music or have even live bands playing for the guests there. Very, very nice view there with the lights turned on, and you can find lots and lots of nice restaurants here. You can fully support this restaurant here, Mexican restaurant, very tasty. You can see the name of the restaurant. Very nice live music there, and the food was also very tasty. And you can see around the pier here in the quay, there are lots and lots of activities also for kids, so they have those little cars there that they can rent and drive like for 10 minutes for 10 ringgit or 20 minutes for I think 15 ringgit or something like this. It's super cheap, and you have the ability to drive around here, which is super cool because yeah, this is like the harbor, a pier as well here, small one, and some boats and ships there, and in general a very fantastic kind of music here. The restaurant we ate. The only thing I noticed is really the mall is a bit quiet and there's not so much going on inside of the mall, especially when it comes like to the 7 or 8 o'clock-ish kind of time. It's getting pretty empty here, and most people are probably at the pier. So this was our day here at the Straits Quay, and definitely I recommend it for, especially when it's very hot and you want to enjoy a nice evening dinner here. It is the perfect place to walk around the water and get something to eat.